welcome back to this video. If you really want to solve the problem of apps not responding on your Android phone, you need to try out this particular tips I'm about to share with you right here in this video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to hand over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number. Then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system above of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. Alright, so after you have successfully enabled a developer mode options on your Android device, next thing you need to do is to simply go back to phone settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on search settings. Then type in developer. Then click on developer options. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and go to game driver preferences. Click on that, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select the actual app that is usually give you unresponsive. So like for instance, I'm going to click on Facebook right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you assign system graphic driver. So I'm going to simply click on that. And after that, what you need to do next is to restart your phone. Then once you restart your phone, simply go back to the app that is always unresponsive. Click on the app and you should be able to enjoy fast speed up of loading of the Facebook of the app, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.